Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showcasing you the 3-post LinkedIn system I personally used to basically get 400k plus impression in just 99 days of utilizing this system, as well as basically 10 plus calls every single week booked through your Calendly or your calendar, utilizing several lead magnets I use from the previous system as well that gains this much comments, which are basically warm leads that we can later convert to hot leads and then to your clients later on. So I'm going to guide you through the step by step of the system, of what they are, the type of posts, as well as there's a bonus of the current system that I utilize here, that I build as well, to basically automate everything and pretty much do the research, all of it, and you just need to approve it at scale. So yeah, definitely able to help you out on that part. So let's get straight to it. So in LinkedIn itself, there is three type of posts that's very hot, and then this is something that you would like to cycle every single week, and that is pretty much the value post here, and case studies, and then lead magnets. So pretty much value posts are posts that share actionable insights or information based on what you know, what you have learned about, based on what you have basically done from your, let's say, cold email, maybe your automation case studies, not case studies, I mean your automation work, what interesting facts you know on from other people's work that you want to showcase here as well on LinkedIn that also work in your stuff. So pretty much this is goal. The goal is basically to build credibility and trust and position you basically as an expert. So people see you as not someone that's just farming leads, right? And not having anything to show about. So this is very, very important. And honestly, I do think this is the most important out of everything here in general. So yeah, why this work as well is immediate utility for readers, builds trust without just selling, because most probably the other one are actually more on the selling part of the things, and then keep you top of the mind as well. And the proven structure is there's three types of structure here. You can basically choose several ones, so the step by step. So step 1, step 2, step 3, the clear roadmap of what you learn and how to achieve that thing. The challenge that people struggle with X but they tend to do Y, and how to approach it just by Z, those stuff. The list as well, like the list that you have encountered before, and then relevancy, which is utilizing the years in general. And these are several hook ideas you can use as well. And one good problem or one good post about is this. So want to rank high in LLM ChatGPT Cloud, start a blog, and it also give a list of it. And pretty much this is the list part on how to basically build authority in your site. So this is one of the value posts as well. Now the second one would be case studies. So by case studies, I mean conversion focused posts, and pretty much trying to give the audience that you have actually done something. So it push reader to a specific action. So either call an audit and turn engagement into actual opportunities. So let's say you have worked at Google, or you have actually have a Google client, which is very big, right? You just have to post here, like, let's say we help someone at Google, let's say the CEO of Google, generate revenue 100% more than previously. That's just an example, right? But that things will actually scale your value post more and build you more of an expert way more than this one. So this complements this one as well. So as you can see, it prove results relatable to the reader and create FOMO and clear next step on how can I achieve that as well as you. And the structure is basically two. So data points, which is similar to this one, but now you can also relate or direct it to what you have done to previous person. And then the other one is just a mini case study, right? Like, so helping clients do X through Y. And then the scripts is just this. You can utilize a CTA here. So the CTA is basically a mini lead magnet as well. So come and ask if I want to DM you, and then people will engage in that stuff. Several hook ideas as well. And this is a good part of the audit post, or pretty much a case study post. So easiest way to earn an extra $10,000. It doesn't matter your method, running ads, blah blah blah. While booking 1 to 2 calls every single day. So basically, he gives authority here, stating that he have done something to someone, and then giving a free audit post, or basically a case study post in general. So that's pretty much the second framework. Now on to the third one. Onto the third one as well now. Sorry. Okay. Now here, lead magnet. This is where most of the leads will came through as well. And as I explained as well from here, this is where, like, these are both lead magnets. Actually, this one is a case study post that also got a lot of comments because of the audit, right? But these are most of the comments that you can see, like 4,000 3,000 comments from people. It's mostly lead magnets. And this is where all the yeah, pretty much all the clients or booked calls will be from. So I will say this is also the most important part, beside the value post, obviously. But this is the second one from all of them, because every one of them actually correlate to each other, contribute to each other. Yeah. So lead magnet is actually just giving free resources for exchange for engagement and connection, and attracts attention and capture leads in general. So people will actually buy from you if you actually give them something first. So it's a value post, but it's way more than that, because you give something exclusive such as a PDF, workflow, or video with like for you specifically through a DM or something. So that basically means that you have a one-to-one connection with them, and yeah, this is how you attract thousands of quickly, because when you give this much warm leads, I mean this much comments by giving a material, people will tend to comment, and then you will give the material, and then that becomes a warm lead that you could engage, because that has a way higher conversion rate than just cold lead side. Because all of this, now you have 1000 warm leads, which is also very very cheap compared to, like, let's say cold mail campaign or running ads or something. You just need your brain here in general. And several bus format for lead magnets is also just Notion docs, Aniten workflow, short videos. Those are the ones in the images. Also, what you can give away actually. And yeah, this structure is just a hot take, mini case study, and FOMO in general. Now, pretty much this is a example structure, and then yeah, this actually give that booking calls. So yeah, I will say if you can master all three of this, you will be definitely unstoppable in LinkedIn. And yeah, as a bonus for trying to get into the last part of the video, also showed you the N8 workflow that I personally built for me and for my clients that actually book that much calls as well, because all of this system is actually integrated into this, yeah, into this LinkedIn system. So pretty much how it works here, it will read profile and keyword based on current trends of creators, and keywords based on your ICP, on what you're targeting right now, because most probably people actually get too much time or waste too much time on building or, yeah, researching the content they actually want to use, right? Because I know people want to use this type of system, but they don't really have the idea, and this is the fastest way to get the idea. So all of those will be scraped through LinkedIn, also filter it out. Only the good ones came in, and then once the good ones came in, it will be put in the CRM, which for now it's just Google Sheet. And there's also a weekly intelligence report to seeing what angle works this week, or yeah, maybe what type of post works this week. And yeah, all of this only runs 7 days in the past, so only weekly, because that is also the best way to get the highest leads, and yeah, pretty much get the most trending post there is. And once that's done, you could approve your Google Sheet post. And then in the Google Sheet content creation, if you approve them, it will do a research agent. But before that, you also use your tone of voice and writing style. So this is what differs with any other AI post or AI slops, because it actually utilizes your tone of voice, your writing style based on what you post before in LinkedIn. Also analyze that. So this is a learning loop that updates your styling based on what you post also at the updated stage. So after this, maybe in the future, this gets runs every single day, and then yeah, loops all the time. So this is a very very smart on that particular case. So it will basically read your styling reference here, and then once find the approved post, do a research through Perplexity to actually see if your current post is relevant to the current audience, if it's actually accurate or not with the web, and then do three types of posts here. So it's repurposing basically what already works, and with the LinkedIn framework and the three type of system here, repurpose them there, and pretty much all of them is just put on in Google Sheet to be posted immediately. So hopefully that helps, and yeah, let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching.